Today let's study a poem. Its name is No Hunger Anymore. Okay, hunger means what? Feeling hungry. Hunger means vishpa. Okay, so name of the poem is No Hunger Anymore. Page number 101. It is written by Ricky Kedge. She was born on 5th August 1981. Ricky Kedge, Indian music composer, then music producer and environmentalist. He got a Grammy Award. He's a very famous music composer and a music producer also, environmentalist, etc. Okay, Ricky Kedge. So, No Hunger Anymore, page number 101. So, before we moving on to the poem, there is a warm-up activity. Which is your favorite meal of the day and why? Which is your favorite meal? Is it breakfast ano, lunch ano, supper ano? What is your favorite meal? And my favorite meal is breakfast, because when we eat breakfast what helps us to grow big and strong. Breakfast is food of our brain. Okay, so I like breakfast. So let us now read a poem about the importance of saving and sharing food. So we all waste food, isn't it? തരുന്ന ഫുഡെല്ലാം കുറച്ച് കഴിച്ചിട്ട് ബാക്കി കൊണ്ട് കളയാറുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കാനൊക്കെ ഭയങ്കര മടിയാണ് കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾക്കൊക്കെ. So this poem tells us about the importance of saving and sharing food. Okay, so the poet talks about how breakfast makes him strong and active throughout the day. But the poet also knows that there are many people who cannot have regular meals every day. When we waste food, there are many people in this world who cannot have regular meals every day. നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ ഭക്ഷണം വേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കളയുമ്പോൾ ഒരു നേരത്തെ ആഹാരം കഴിക്കാനില്ലാത്ത ഒരുപാട് ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട് ഈ ലോകത്ത്, ഇല്ലേ? So the poet urges everyone to stop wasting food so that there is no hunger in the world anymore. ഈ ലോകത്ത് എല്ലാവർക്കും കൊടുക്കാനുള്ള ഭക്ഷണമുണ്ട്, ഇല്ലേ? പക്ഷേ നമ്മൾ കുറേ പേരുടെ കയ്യിൽ കുറച്ചധികം ഭക്ഷണമുണ്ട്, നമ്മൾ വേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കളയുന്നുണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് കുറേ മനുഷ്യർക്ക് വിശന്നിരിക്കേണ്ടി വരുന്നത്. അപ്പം നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിലുള്ള ഭക്ഷണം നമ്മൾ വേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാതിരുന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ബാക്കിയുള്ളവർക്കും കൂടെ കഴിക്കാനായിട്ട് പറ്റും. So there is no hunger in the world anymore. Okay, shall we start? I love my breakfast right before school, my favorite meal for sure. It makes me feel real good and grow big and strong. While some kids go hungry all day long, and that's wrong. Okay, the poet says that he loves his breakfast before going school, right before school. So the child or the poet says that he likes his breakfast before school, because breakfast is what his favorite meal, my favorite meal for sure. I'm sure that my favorite meal is my breakfast. So before going to school, we all have our what breakfast. രാവിലെ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിച്ചിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ എല്ലാവരും വരുന്നത്. Okay. My favorite meal for sure. I'm sure that my favorite meal is my breakfast. Why? Because it makes me feel real good and grow big and strong. So after eating breakfast, I felt good and I grow big and strong. And if you eat your breakfast, you can grow big and strong. നല്ല ബിഗും സ്ട്രോങ്ങും നല്ല ബുദ്ധിയൊക്കെ ഉള്ള കുട്ടികളായിട്ട് വളരണമെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് വേണം? നന്നായിട്ട് ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിക്കണം. അമ്മ തരുന്ന ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റൊക്കെ വേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കളയാതെ അത്രയും കഴിക്കണം. So, and grow big and strong. So, for growing big and strong, you have to eat breakfast. While some kids go hungry all day long, that's wrong. So, whereas there are some children in this world, they go hungry all day long. They don't have anything to eat before going to school. All day long they felt hunger. That is not right. That's wrong. Isn't it? The child here is so sad because he knows that some children go hungry all day. The child feels that this is wrong. അത് ശരിയല്ല. കുറച്ച് കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ ഒന്നും കഴിക്കാതെ ദിവസം മുഴുവൻ പട്ടിണി ഇരിക്കാറുണ്ട്, ഒന്നും കഴിക്കാനില്ലാതെ. പക്ഷെ കുറേ പേര് എന്താണ്, കുറച്ച് കഴിച്ച് ബാക്കി വേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കളയുന്നു ഫുഡ്. ദാറ്റ്സ് റോങ്. ദാറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് റൈറ്റ്. Isn't it? There should be no more, no hunger anymore. So the poet wants what? എന്താണ് ആവശ്യം? There is enough food for all in this world. In this world, God has given us enough food. We have to share it. Isn't it? We have to share it. Then there will not be hunger anymore. There won't be any hungry people in this world. Okay. Sharing is caring. So according to the poet, sharing is caring. Sharing food is like caring others. If we share food, we can care others also. So sharing is caring. So and no reason to be rude. So there is no reason to be rude to anyone. There is no reason to be angry towards anybody. There is no reason to be rude to anyone. Isn't it? We have to share everything. We have to love everybody. Okay. Sometimes we are wasteful. Wasteful means sometimes we waste food. We don't think it through. Why some people have no food? We don't have time to think. Why some people in this world have no food? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് കുറച്ച് ആൾക്കാർക്ക് ഭക്ഷണമൊന്നും ഇല്ലാത്തതെന്ന് എന്നുള്ളതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് നമുക്ക് ചിന്തിക്കാനൊന്നും സമയമില്ല. ബിക്കോസ് വി ആർ ഓൾ ബിസി പീപ്പിൾ. We have many things to do. Isn't it? So we don't think it through. We human being never think why some people have no food. And that's wrong. That's not right at all. Isn't it? So no more. So we have to take care not to waste food. We have to take care to share food to those who don't have their food. Okay, so we have to take care of others also, other people also. We have to check whether there is any hungry people around us. No more, no hunger anymore. No more, no hunger anymore. So the poet wanted to see that nobody in this world is left hungry. Nobody in this world is left hungry. So it is our duty to check whether any hungry people around us. If we have a lot of food at home, we have to share it. We have to give some to those people also. Because sharing is caring. We have to learn all these manners. Isn't it? Adana ipo. Okay. So I'll read it once again. I love my breakfast right before school. My favorite meal for sure. It makes me feel real good and grow big and strong. While some kids go hungry all day long, and that's wrong. There should be no more, no hunger anymore. Sharing is caring. There is plenty for all and no reason to be rude. Sometimes we are wasteful. We don't think it through. Why some people have no food? And that's wrong. There should be no more, no hunger anymore. No more, no hunger anymore. Written by Ricky Cage. Okay. നമ്മുടെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ലെസണാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ബാക്കിയുള്ളതൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് സ്കൂൾ തുറക്കുമ്പോൾ പഠിക്കാം ഇനി കേട്ടോ. Then write T for true statement, F for false statement. True or false. There is no meaning I have given from this lesson. Okay. The child loves to eat breakfast. Is it right or wrong? Yes. The child loves to eat breakfast. Lunch makes the child grow big and strong. Lunch alla breakfast ആണ്, isn't it? Breakfast makes the child feel good. Yes. There is enough food for everyone. Yes. It's all right for people to go hungry. No. Okay. Now, 5 fill in the blanks from this lesson. No question answers. Okay. The child's favorite meal is dash breakfast. Breakfast makes the child grow dash and dash, big and strong. There is enough dash for everyone. There is enough food for everyone. We should dash food so that nobody goes hungry. We should share food. The poet feels that dash food is wrong. Wasting food is wrong. So write these 5 fill in the blanks in your notebook and study well. ഇതിന്ന് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസർ ഒന്നും ടീച്ചർ തരുന്നില്ല, ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം നന്നായിട്ട് പഠിക്കുക. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.